I'm not just a pretty girl.
Mother?
Close my fridge.
But I'm hungry.
Close my damn fridge!
But how do I get to the... Mom?
What?
I'm hungry.
Well, eat then.
But I need to open the fridge to get the food.
Well, do that. Like, why is he telling me this?
Okay.
Excuse me.
What, you need to get through?
My electricity. Close the fridge. But you just said it. Close it. Okay, you know what? I'm done.
Because I don't have time for this.
What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm gonna just go out and pick something up to eat.
All that food in the fridge and you about to go out to eat? You won't let me go in the fridge. Now, why would I not let you go in the fridge? Like, how dumb do you sound? Just grab what you need. How do I grab what I need out the fridge when I don't know what's in it? You won't let me look.
Oh, I'm sorry. I deeply apologize. My voice. I didn't mean no harm.
Yeah, you don't want these problems.
I don't want those problems.
Now go.
Yes, ma'am. Can I open the fridge?
Close my fridge. That's it. No. Where are you going?
Look, I'm not leaving, but I'm gonna eat regardless. I'm gonna call something in. I'm gonna get something delivered.
So this is the thanks I get. The appreciation for all my hard work. I be at home, working over a hot stove for hours, just to make sure you have food in your stomach. I work hard so that you can have a roof over your head. And this is the thanks I get. This is how you treat me. Everything I do, everything, I do it for you. You. And you can't be grateful enough to just appreciate the little things I do. Now that's foul. That's foul. All I'm asking for is a little bit of love and support. That's it. That's it.
Look, I didn't look at it that way. I'm sorry. I'll go. Gina, get the hell out of here. I'm sorry, what was I saying? She messed me up. Oh right, I was sad, remember? I'm sorry, I'm gonna go get a plate. See, I'm grabbing a plate and a spoon. Okay, now where is it? What shelf is it on? Is this it?
Close my damn fridge!